So, welcome back again everyone, we meet again. So anyway, today it is a Wednesday, but I don't know when I'm gonna upload this one, but hey, let me just tell you that today they just released some things interesting today. So first let me grab those things before I start talking about this certain post that they post in the FB or the Discord. This one is kinda interesting because now free to play don't need to do these kind of things. Like, it is the only places for you or for those players who can only do some repair stations. Yes, it is related to the repair stations that will coming in this Christmas events or the northern events. We don't know what is that, but what I'm talking about, let me just try to find it. Repair stations. There is also repair station in the blueprints and also repair stations in the VIP. VIP can only be entered if you buy anything in related to the shops. Right here, right now. So anything kind of a price that you can or you want to buy, the VIP will unlock. Even if you just buy a cents or a $1, it's good. That's okay. But in the VIP sections, if you wanted to unlock that repair stations, you need to be a VIP. Yes, you need to be a VIP to access the repair workbench. So VIP 4, VIP 3, VIP 2, and VIP 1, you don't access the repair station. So that's really the bad things about that. So you need to waste more than thousands of money just to unlock these repair stations. So here's the thing, let me just grab those pictures image that they post. Take a bit and sit while I'm trying to get those things. So here's the things that they put, or they release some things, a sneak peek related to the northern or the winter updates. Hey Survivor, we'd like to continue exploring the upcoming points of our roadmap. So in the roadmap, there's already 3 things that they managed to add: the headhunting arena and the QOL, or yes, that one, I forgot, or I don't know what that means, but it is related to the game's feelings like it is now getting good. And the other one is the Halloween. For now, those 3 is just been added in this 2024, in this before the 2024's ends. So right now they also give some things related to winter's update. So what I mean is that now they just give some sneak peek related to the winter updates. So repair workbench will be introduced in Last Day on Earth. Right now, people's, players, everyone, that's what we've been waiting for since the beginning of this game, the repair workbench, but we don't know what kind of items we need to do to assemble this one. Maybe it is too expensive, or same as the drones modifications or the workbench drones. So we don't know, but I feel like it's kind of too expensive, honestly though. Along with the winter update, so it means that the repair workbench will be added, and everything related to the winter updates, like a new boss, a new weapons that they also released, those that kind of 4-power shotguns that they also released that a sneak peek. So now that's also kind of interesting. So you'll be easily restore your favorite armor and weapons at home. We're looking forward to December, chat like you. So it means in this winter update or the Christmas update or in the December one, maybe everything will now become much more interesting. So I cannot wait for that. And it said that it will also repair your armor. That's kind of interesting, because if you don't know, repair stations do not repair some armor. Wait, it repaired? I thought it's not. Kinda disappointment and immeasurable, so I wasted my caps there. But I thought that repair stations do not repair armor, only weapon stations, so it's kinda surprising to me. This is my first time ever since the VIP just released, and god damn it. Yeah, I just surprised right there, but I guess that's how I'm surprised. So anyway, enough with that. So it means the repair station is the same as this repair station of VIP sections, but we don't know what kind of mechanics when we are repairing it. Maybe we need to do, or we need to put some items requirement just to repair one guns or one armor. So we don't know really it right now. So it's really kind of interesting that after 7 years, repair station is now here, and it will be coming in December. And right now there's only 10 days left or 11 days left before the December's coming. So I cannot wait for that time. So anyway, we are now done here, and that's all for the sneak peek, to be honestly. And if you doesn't remember, there's also added, as I said, here's another point from our roadmap: a powerful gun with 4 infernal shots per round, extremely effective against zombies in winter regions. How do you find these new additions to our arsenal? I think we already know, because this one just released in November 2, 2024. So it means that this one just released, came out last week. So I think we already know what is that. So it means the shotgun or new weapons will be coming, the same as the repair workbench, in the winter updates. As always, winter update is always the best and fun things to be waited, because it is the only time for them to give some things, you know, like free or easy to do some things related to the events. So it's kinda exciting. I cannot wait for that time, and hopefully it will not be disappointment. So right now, why not let's do some Forlorn Fair first before this Forlorn Fair will end, because there's only 4 days. God damn it, 4 days still. In 4 days this Forlorn Fair will take a long time for it to be ends, and it's really kinda likable events, to be honest. We already do some ranking, so we already know that Forlorn Fair is the #1 best event so far if it becomes a seasonal. But if not, hey, at least it's still the best in when it comes to events. Second is always the commune, and by the way, commune will be coming tomorrow, and also tomorrow the season 65 will end, so be ready for you guys. And tomorrow let's do some port laboratory, so I cannot wait for that. Yeah. So alright, this is another day, and the season 65 is now completely ends, and today's season is 66. So today is also, as I said, we will go to the port laboratory and do some hardcore lab. And today there's also 3 days left and 11 hours before the Forlorn Fairs will end. So also, I'm not gonna do some commune trials today. And also, let's get these tickets. I'm done everything here, from the smallest to the biggest things that I need to do here, and I already get the confetti. So why not let's put this a ticket here. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm not gonna do some commune trials today, because it's that, yes, commune trials is really the best event, really, but there's really nothing here other than for those new players and mid players. So anyway, we're not done, and let's give the ticket to the Nigels and let's see what we get. Alright, kinda good, expected. Equalizer too. By the way, yesterday when I tried to change my ticket to Nigels, I get 5 guns. If you remember, only FN scars and neutralizer, right? And let's just get rid of the minigun and the neutralizers today, because that's what we get today. So right, so it means that I think the equalizers and the minigun today, and neutralizers and scar, I get that. So what I mean is that yesterday when I'm trying to exchange the tickets, I get a Milcor, Winchester, M16, protectors, and shotguns. When I see that, to be honest, and also some neutralizers, I got surprised that I managed to get that without any kind of resources. Maybe I have, because there's almost a fear I already got it, so I cannot see if I get some resources, items, or miscellaneous items. But what I only managed to see is the guns. So I'm not gonna get these guns here yet. I will just put there until the Forlorn Fairs come back. So enough with that talking today. I think let's do laboratory today. But before that, I need to get a lot of seaweeds. We need some energy to do the room right now. So why not, let's start. And first, let me prepare everything before we go there. And after that, as I said, let's do some laboratory. I'm already at level 31 or 30. And from what I see, it is now hard to level up. So good luck to me into the next future. I'm back, I'm finished everything, I'm prepared everything, and right now I bring tons of neutralizers and equalizers. And right now I don't have any buff, only the VIP, and that is bring back to life after take a fatal amount of time. No, that's not it. But anyway, why not, let's start, and I'm gonna use the ultimatum once I'm done. Right now, why not, let's activate, but before that, let's put these green seeds or the seaweeds. And what we have here, the giant slayer is the only positive, and the negative is leech and bloodlust. That's already good. So let's start and activate this patrol cancel protocol. Anyway, that's it. Once, why not, let's start. Oh wait, that's really good. So why not, let's start and do everything I can. we need some breaks, and I need to go back here again because I need to get the seaweeds. This is for the B2 sections, and also my inventory right now is really fully slotted, so I need to put that. This one is B1 and this is a B2, so right now I need to put that seaweed. And also because I also fully a complete inventory, I need to put some of these that are not sometimes not important in life. God damn it, it's really kinda disappointment. So anyways, key card A+, let's do that once we are done for the B+ card. And right now my thirsty and hunger is already at peak. Right now they are getting closer at 0, or the red one. So we need to get more another guns for the neutralizers, and I think this is it. And if I remember, if you don't remember, I also did not pick some items in the A1 because I am really full. That is why I need to go back here and put those items there. So right now I have 2, 4, 6 empty slots. So I think we're now done. Everything's done. I think we can still go on and do some more B1 up to B2. Sorry about that noises, but anyway, let's do that again. So I just wanted to say I have a bad news, and right after I'm done clearing the room in this B2 and started defeating the bosses, I'm out of durability of my armor and I died, so it's really disappointment, and I will just cut those things because it will take a lot of time. So that would take another wasted time if I wanted to be clear. So I will just cut those things. So right now I just failed clearing the boss. I'm already closer to defeating him. He has already 200 HP, but my armor is also destroyed, so I also lost. And the boss just have tons of damage plus those zombies, so that's a one-hit KO. So that's why we will do some another bosses right now. So I need to focus here. So enough with that. Get right into the battle. Alright, finally we're done. And right now, why not let's open the A card and the B card for now, because I'm too lazy to complete those words. And right now let's put those items. First things first, let's just put these guns here. Let me just grab those things and let's get these items that we need to give that to I forgot the name. Yes, anyway, we need to put this thing here. This one. Oh wait, we already level up, so hopefully it is good, please. Oh, it is just an increased one, but sadly it is not. It is what I'm looking for. We are now level 32 and it is now getting harder to level up, they said. So right now, how much is that? Yep, 70%. At least that's kind of decent, to be honest, but still that's already getting harder to level up. Let's open the B card and the A card. Let's go for the A card. We get equalizers and resonator. So if you think that it is worth to open some A card and B card, or the B card or the B plus card or A plus card, oh wait, this is a B plus card, so it's kind of good, it's decent, but at least give us the equalizers or the resonators instead of protector. But anyway, still enough, decent for me. I don't know for others, but for me it's decent. So why not let's get this one, grab this one, and I think that's it. And so anyways, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a good day. I cannot wait for the winter update because there's only 8 days to 9 days left before the December. And once the December, I think they were gonna release it maybe first in the week of the December, or I think around December 10 to December 12th. But I think it is a 1st of December and the updates will be there, so I cannot wait for that. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a good day. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully the winter update is not disappointment as we always expect from this game, but a good and exchange, because new weapons at the same time, new locations, new zombies, new armor, and new coming of the repair station is already been a great thing. As long as it is not expensive, as long as it is not that taking a long time to assemble, everything will become so much easier to do that game. So I think I'm talking too much right now, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a good day. See you to the next one. See ya.